Not again.
Don't let her slip through that crowd!
They're here. You saved me.
Wouldn't let you fall.
Guess I owe you a coffee.
Somebody catch me, yo. Did you see that Laura and Brian romance coming? I was here watching action and the next thing, love just landed. If that short film was fire, drop a comment so my heartbeat can return to normal. Okay, now listen. The biggest enemy of AI filmmakers is inconsistency. One minute your character looks perfect. The next minute they look like they are twin from another dimension who didn't sleep well. But don't worry. Today I'm going to show you how to create consistent AI characters using just text. So your film stops looking like a family reunion of strangers. Whether you make African folktales, animations, storytelling videos, or you just love pressing generate like your life depends on it, this tutorial is for you. Please watch to the end because I'll reveal hidden settings I wish someone had told me before I wasted half my life generating nonsense. And the best part, it's free. Alright, let's dive in. Welcome back to Learn with Emnet, the channel where we learn, create, grow, and sometimes laugh at our AI mistakes together. Many people know how to use Grok AI, but only a few know that it can actually generate full-length videos with consistent characters throughout. Getting started with Grok AI. 1. Go to your browser and search for Grok AI. Sign up using your Google or X account. 2. On mobile, download the Grok AI app from the Play Store or App Store and sign up with your Gmail account. Once you're inside, here's what you'll see. Grok AI is an all-in-one platform that every AI enthusiast or creator should have. You can do everything from chatting like ChatGPT, script writing, image generation, video creation, lip syncing, and more. Take your time to explore the platform. You can also explore templates created by other users for inspiration or remixing, and you can even customize them. For example, I'll pick one and play it. Let's say I want to recreate this same visual. Just click the play button. The video is ready. You'll notice it generates the same visual, but the character positioning in the building changes slightly. I can also copy the prompt. Go back to Imagine, set my aspect ratio to 3:2, and paste the prompt. You can choose any aspect ratio you like. It's not perfect 16:9, but it gives a good landscape orientation. Hit play, and the video is ready. Wow, this looks even better than the template. The building appears more solid and modern. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create AI films with consistent characters, both using text and images. For my short AI film, I've already generated the script, scene by scene. So the next step is to get the visual prompt for each scene. I use this prompt. Generate a detailed prompt for each scene, ensuring that every scene flows seamlessly from the previous one to create a smooth cinematic narrative.
As you can see, I now have all the prompts for the short film, about 4 scenes. I noticed that too many actions in a single prompt for a 6-second video can produce bad results. That's why I like splitting scenes into smaller visual prompts. For scene 1, I asked it to split the scene into 2 prompts, and ChatGPT did this perfectly. As I always say, study your script, your prompts, and every necessary element of your story. I also made sure the character description is in brackets. For example, Laura's description looks like this. This ensures outfit, pose, and look remain consistent across scenes and helps me quickly identify any missing details in a prompt. Generating visuals. Now it's time to generate the visuals. I copy the prompt, go to Grok AI, and use text to video. Image to video works too. I set the aspect ratio to 3:2, paste the prompt, and hit play. The video is ready, and it looks amazing. Grok AI produces high-quality visuals, so always remember to add render qualities and download your videos. For the next scene, to maintain character consistency, play the video from beginning to end. In my case, I stop halfway because my character's face is most visible in the middle of the frame, but you can choose whichever frame works best. The key is to capture a frame where the character's face is clearly visible. Right-click the video and select Copy Video Frame, or save it directly to your device for later use. Go back to Imagine, paste the frame, and wait for it to load. It now becomes your reference image. Next, paste your prompt for the new scene and hit Generate. The visuals come out beautifully, maintaining the same character, and the next scene flows naturally from the previous one. Always regenerate if you don't like the first result. Here's another example. For the following scene, I play the video to the end frame where my character's face is fully visible. I copy the frame, paste it into Imagine, and it becomes the reference image for the next scene. Then I paste in the prompt and hit Generate. Wait a moment while it processes. At every visual generation step, I communicate with my AI assistant about where the last scene ends to ensure the next prompt flows naturally. This step is crucial because sometimes you may want to refine or adjust previous prompts for better continuity. Besides using the copy and paste frame method to maintain character consistency, it's also essential to keep the character description consistent across all scenes. In one scene, I forgot to include the full description, even though the character's name was mentioned. As a result, the character appeared slightly different. A black leather skirt instead of trousers, black high heels instead of burgundy, and the gold button on her blouse missing. Why did this happen? The last frame used as a reference only showed her upper body. Remember, if you don't describe it, the AI will decide. So, let's check out the video. It's ready. I absolutely love how the scenes flow seamlessly from one to the next. It's truly amazing. By following these steps, I was able to generate all the visuals for this AI film while keeping character consistency intact. Using image to video. From Imagine, upload your image and it will automatically start generating a video. Don't worry, I'll show you how to switch off automatic generation. For now, let's allow it to process. The video is good, but the character's actions aren't yet part of the film. To disable auto animation, click on your profile, go to Settings,
select Behavior, scroll down and turn off Enable Automatic Video Generation. From this point on, videos will only generate when you manually hit the Make Video button. Next, I'll paste in my prompt and hit Make Video. The result is beautiful. The video maintains the style and quality of the original image. For the next scene, I use the same method. Right-click the video frame, select Copy Video Frame, go back to Imagine, and paste it. This becomes the reference image for the new scene. Paste the prompt and hit Generate. The video is still impressive, starting seamlessly from the previous end frame. One of the coolest features of Grok AI is that you can generate multiple scenes from a single image and even include additional characters. For example, the men in black weren't part of the original image, but because their description was included in the prompt, Grok automatically added them. Final notes and recommendations. Text-to-video generally delivers the best results for maintaining style and character continuity throughout your AI film. You can generate images on another platform and import them into Grok AI for animation, or create everything directly within Grok AI. Both approaches work. To minimize stress, I recommend using text-to-video with a well-detailed prompt and consistent character descriptions. Always capture the end frame of each scene to ensure smooth transitions into the next scene. Finally, I imported all the clips into my editing app and compiled the full video. The final result is amazing. I hope you love how it turned out. Let me know in the comments. If you learned something new about Grok AI, give this video a like, comment, and share so other creators can benefit. Stay connected because I'll show you more tricks and possibilities with this tool. Until next time, keep shining, keep creating, and keep growing. Thanks for watching.